Welcome back, dear students. So today we are going to see multiplication of rational numbers. So let's start. First we need to multiply 11 by 12 by minus 8 upon 15. So let's perform it. What do we have to do? Just we have to write down 11 upon 12. By symbol will replace with the multiplication. Minus of 8 upon 15. Friends, here you can take the products of numerators and you can take the products of denominator, and if possible you can divide here. Like observe here, 8 and 12 both can be divisible by 4, so we'll go for the 4's table here. 4 3s are 12, and here you can take 4 2s are 8, that is of negative 2. Now you just need to take a product of this 11 and minus of 2. So 11 into minus of 2, and here left 3 into 15. Friends, 11 2s are, that is negative 22. Divide by 15 3s are 45. So this is the answer. Now we need to multiply minus of 9 by 13 by, you need to multiply by 65 upon minus of 3. So observe here, friends, minus of sign, this one you can shift upside to make it standard form. Again you can divide them, but you can observe this thing, that minus sign here and here will cancel each other. And friends, you can observe here, you can cut this 3 1s are 3, and here 3 3s are 9. 13 1s are 13, here 13 5s are, you can go 65. Now you just need to write the product of the numerator and the product of the denominator, that is 1 and 1. 3 5s are 15, 15 by 1 is just 15. Next we are having, friend, this product of these. So you can observe here, minus of 39 upon 3, you need to multiply by 19 by 5 with a minus of 45 upon 38. Friends, you can observe here 19 and 38. This 19 1s are 98 and 98 2s are 38. This 5 1s are 5, you can go for it. And here you can divide 5 9s are 45, and this minus sign will be go as it is. And here you can say, friends, 3 1s are 3 and minus of 3 1s are and 3 3s are. So now whatever left you need to write here. Here left minus of 13 in the numerator, and here 1 left, and here minus of 9 divided by here 1 1s are 1 into 2. That means here just 2 left, 1 into 2. Friend, this minus of 13 into 9, this minus sign is going to cancel with this minus sign. In the multiplication, minus of minus products get the sign of the positive. 13 9s are, we get a 117. So friends, we'll write 117 by 2. And this you can convert it into the mixed one, that is 2 5s are 10. Here you can do 8s are 16, and 1 left, 1 by 2, 58 integer 1 by 2. Now we are going to get the another question, that is the product of minus of 9 by 7. You need to multiply with minus of 35 by 6. You can take here 7 1s are 7, here 7 minus of 5. 7 5s are 35, and that minus will be as it is. Here you can go with the 3's table. Here 3's divisibility is there, 9 and 6, 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9, and that minus 3 will be there. And here in the numerator minus 5 is there, and in the denominator 1 and 2 is there. So friends, here 3 5s are 15 will be there, and that 15 will be of positive 15 because of this minus and this minus, divided by 2, 15 by 2. Next is there, friends, minus of 9 by 7, you need to multiply by minus of 14, and here minus of 14 is in division, nothing is there, means by default 1 is there. So now you can observe here, this 7 and this 14 will go in division. 7 1s are 7, 2s are 14, and that 2 will contain some minus sign because of 14. And in the numerator left minus 9 into minus of 2. In the denominator there is 1 1s are 1 only. You can observe here, product of two negative integers, minus 9 into minus of 2. 9 2s are, you will get a 18, and that 18 will contain the sign of positive. Why positive? Because minus of minus will give the positive. Now friends, we will go for these simplification of these rational numbers. So let's simplify them. Here you can see first we need to solve this side, then we'll multiply this part, and then finally we will add them. So let's do it. First of all, 11 upon 18 into minus of 9 by 1. If it is nothing is there, you can take here in the denominator 1. And then you can keep in the bracket plus, you can write minus of 3 by 4 into 5 by 6. Friends, you need to just now go for it. So here you can say in the multiplication you can divide like this. Here 9 ones are 9, that is of minus 1, and here 9 twos are 18. Here also you can see if it is possible to divide, you can divide. Here 3 ones are 3, and here 3 twos are 6. So now friends, you can write down here in the numerator here 11 ones are 11, that is of minus 1, so minus 11 will be there, divided by here 2 ones are 2 will be there, then plus sign you have to write, and then here 5 ones are minus of 5, and here 4 twos are 8. So now you can see you need to add these two rational numbers. So you can do one thing, you can directly do the cross multiplication, or you can take the LCM of 2 and 8. So for that purpose you can take a LCM of 2 and 8, otherwise do the cross multiplication. I'll go for the LCM of 2 and 8. So here LCM of 2 and 8 will be there. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, and here 4, that is 8 only. So LCM is 8. So for converting this 2 into 8, you need to multiply by 4. So we'll try here. Minus of 11 by 2, you need to multiply by 4 by 4. I want to convert this 2 into 8, so I need to multiply this 2 with the 4. So 2 fours are, this you need to do mentally. So when you are dividing or multiplying, you need to do both in the numerator and denominator. Here plus minus will be minus sign here. Minus of 5 by 8. Friends, you can see here 11 fours are 44, that is of minus 44, divided by 2 fours are 8, and then minus of 5 by 8. So now denominator got a 1s, 1 8. So you can write a common denominator 8 here, and minus 44 minus of 5. When both are of the negative integers, you have to add them, and after adding you need to keep the common sign. So here minus of 49 by 8 will be the answer. Minus 49 by 8 is the final answer. Next friends, you need to go for this multiplication, this first bracket, then we'll solve this bracket. So here you can see here, if you observe here in this bracket, you can divide them. Here 3 and 9, 3 ones are 3 you can take, here 3 threes are 9 you can take. So, and here also you can observe, here 2 ones are 2, that is of minus 2, and here 2 sevens are 14 is here. So friends, here you can take 26 ones are 26, divided by, here you can take 27 threes are 21. Then this minus sign you need to write down as it is. Then here 13 ones are 13, that is of minus 13, divided by, here you can take 7 threes are 21. So friends, here you can see after 26 upon 21, this minus and this minus will become plus 13 upon 21. And as there is a common denominator already, you don't need to make a LCM and convert them. You just need to write addition of numerator divided by common denominator once. That is 26 plus 13, and that is divided by 21. You need to just add. You will get 39 upon 21. 26 plus 13, that is, now you can see here, you can go with the 3's table to make it into standard form. Here 3 sevens are 21, and here 3 13s are 39. The final answer will be 13 upon 7. This is the final answer here, 13 upon 7, and here it will be the final answer. Now friends, we'll go for the another one, that is we need to solve minus of 3 by 2 into 4 by 5 plus 9 by 5 into minus of 10 by 3 minus of 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. So you can observe this bracket inside. Here you can cut 2 1s are 2, here 2 2s are 4, you can go for it. Here 3 1s are 3 and here 3 3s are 9, you can say. And here 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are, that is of minus 2s are. And here there is no possibility of simplification, so leave them. Now friends, observe here, this minus sign will be as it is. Product of numerator 3 2s are 6 divided by here 5 1s are 5 will be there. Plus sign you have to write as it is. Now this minus 2 into 3 2s are 6 and that is of minus of 6 divided by 1 1s are 1 will be there, minus here 3 1s are 3 and here 4 2s are 8 will be there. Minus you can keep in the bracket. Now friends, you can observe here 5 and 8 and these you need to do add up. For that friends, you can see here, you can take the LCM of 5 and 8. 5 and 8 LCM will be 40. LCM of 5 and 8 will be 40. So you can take it here. Minus 6 by 5. Now you can take here 5 8s are 40. So you can divide and multiply by 8. Why I am multiplying by dividing by 8? Because here LCM, I got here 8 LCM of 5 and 8 is 40. That's why. Now plus, here plus and minus will be minus, so we will write directly minus here. Here plus minus minus, minus of 6 by 1 and you need to convert it into 40, so you just directly multiply by 40 here. Minus of 3 by 8 and to this 8 I need to convert it into 40, so I will multiply by 5. As simple as this one. So friends, here minus 6 8s are 48 and here 5 8s are 40 will be there. Minus 6 4s are 24 and this 0 and this 40 will be there. Minus 5 3s are 15 and this 5 8s are 40. Friends, now in the denominator all are 40 here. You can just write down these 41s and you need to add here minus of 48, minus of 240 and minus of 15. So after this you need to just add all these numbers. After adding all these you can keep the minus sign as it is. So here 5 in the unit plus, here 0 and here 8. 5 plus 8, that is 13 and 1 carry will be there. This 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 4 10. So 0 1 will be carry and 1 plus 2 3. That is minus of 303 divided by 40. So friend, this is a final answer of this. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.